Hi, my name's Rachael Todman. I'm a financial advisor at Consortium Private Wealth. Today, just talking about what happens to your superannuation funds when you die. So superannuation, it can be one of your largest assets. So again, you want to make sure, like any other asset you've worked hard for, that it does get distributed to the right person and in line with your wishes. So a lot of people are under an impression that superannuation will fall inside your will automatically. This is not the case. It's treated differently to other assets that you have. So you do need to make sure that you have a valid beneficiary in place. So you can nominate your legal representative with your superannuation company. This means that the proceeds will be paid. So any super benefits plus if you've got life insurance benefits, they will be paid to your estate and can then be distributed via your will. Now, if you have a specific person in mind that you do want to be the beneficiary, then there are rules around who you can nominate. So ones that you can nominate are your spouse, so whether you're married or de facto. You can nominate children, also people that are financially dependent or in an interdependency relationship with you at the time of your death. So what happens if you don't have a beneficiary in place? Well, ultimately you're leaving it up to the superannuation company or trustee to decide how the funds are distributed, to who. And I'm not sure about you, but I definitely don't want to leave my assets in the hands of someone that I don't know. So we want to make sure that we've got these beneficiaries in place to give peace of mind with that one. Now, there are a couple of types of beneficiaries, the main ones being your binding non-lapsing beneficiary. So this one, as it states, it's non-lapsing. So it's important that you do consider it as your circumstances change. For example, if you go through a separation, it's important that you do update your beneficiary to make sure that it is still current. The other one is a binding lapsing beneficiary. So this one does lapse, so they're only valid for a maximum period of 3 years. So you will receive a notification from your superannuation company asking you to put in a new beneficiary. So this is a good option as well, because you are forced to reconsider who your beneficiary is at a minimum of every 3 years. So it's putting it front of mind for you. When making your beneficiaries, it's also important to consider potential tax liabilities for beneficiaries. So have a chat to your financial advisor about that one as well. It's a topic for another day, but yeah, it is one to have front of mind when you are considering making beneficiaries. Thanks for listening. I hope that's been of some value. Key points, make sure your beneficiary is valid. Make sure you keep it up to date as your circumstances change. Thanks for listening, and we'll talk to you again soon.